Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this laptop. So if you have several windows opened on your desktop and you want to align them evenly or maybe almost evenly, then you have to grab one of them by the top bar of the window and then drag it to the top of your screen and select one of the available options. Since I want to align 3 applications, I'll have to pick this one option or maybe this one, and I left some space open for the 4th application. But for now, let's put the browser to the left side of the screen. Then I'll select the other window to be opened in the top right. In my case, it's Recycle Bin, and the File Explorer in the bottom right corner. You can adjust the size of each window by dragging these bars in between the windows. And that's basically it. That's how you use split screen mode on your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.